Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia. For today's episode, I am using one of my son's recipes, honey apple glazed pork shoulder. This is a dish he would typically make for the holidays. I thought it would be a good choice for our Thanksgiving specials. For those of you who would like a second option besides turkey, let's get to the marinade. These are the ingredients for the marinade: apple cider, Worcestershire sauce, onion powder, salt, sage, black pepper, turmeric, oregano, crushed red pepper, apple cider vinegar, fresh rosemary and thyme, crushed garlic. And this is the pork. I've gashed the meat so the seasoning could go through it. This is it. You see? Now, the next thing we do is we put the seasonings on. Apple cider vinegar. This is the garlic, the rosemary and thyme, and these are the seasonings. Now, this is what we do next. We got to massage the seasoning through the meat so all the seasoning will get through it. I've massaged the marinade through the meat, and I've noticed I forgot to put the Worcestershire sauce in. So let's add the Worcestershire sauce to the marinade now. There we go. And now I'm going to marinate it again with the Worcestershire sauce in it. So there, that should do it. See? Now I'm going to cover it up, put it in the refrigerator. It must stay in the refrigerator at least 5 days so the seasoning can go through the meat. The pork has been marinating in the refrigerator for 5 days. Now let's get to making the glaze for the pork. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use: apple cider, diced onions, minced garlic, and these are the seasonings: turmeric, red pepper flakes, and black pepper. Lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, honey, and soy sauce, and also water. These are the ingredients for it. I have a pot here with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, but you can use whatever oil you choose. We're going to turn it on medium, heat high. First thing we do is we put the onions in. And also the minced garlic. We sauteed them up together for about 3 minutes. You see how it's sauteed in the pot? How everything just jumping up and sauteing? All the onions and garlic coming together. Look at it. Sizzling, jumping. Now that the onions have sauteed up enough, the next step is we add the other ingredients. Apple cider, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce. All the ingredients and the amount will be down in the description box. The seasoning, the lemon juice, and now the honey. Now we take a whisk and we whisk everything up together. You see, everything is whisking and coming together. You see, you continuously stir it. Keep stirring it so it don't burn. You cook it maybe about, I would say we cook it here for about 5 to 10 minutes or until it cooks down to a glaze. This is the pork that I had marinating in the refrigerator for over 5 days. I'm going to put it in the oven now, and I'm putting my oven at 375 degrees for about two hours and a half. You can cook it, but it depends on your oven. Everybody's oven is different. So now I'm going to put it in the oven, and then we'll come back to check the glaze. Let's check the glaze now. Oh, look at the glaze jumping in the pot. The onions, the peppers, the garlic, the honey, everything just jumping together. Look at it jump. I think the glaze is ready. I've just taken the pork out of the oven. This was cooking an hour and a half. See it? Now we're going to baste it in the glaze. See the glaze? This is the glaze on it. Now we're going to cover it again with the foil and put it in the oven for another hour. The pork was in the oven cooking for 2.5 hours. I've taken the pork out. I've put it in the serving dish. Here it is, the honey apple glaze pork shoulder. See? Now, if you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.